Hello, I'm going to present about my paper and the title of the paper is the influence of social media beauty guru or influencer on customer purchase intention. Okay, so the contents of this paper, the content of this presentation, we have background, literature review, methodology, result discussion, and conclusion. So for the background, we have one, the rapid emergence of the internet as marketing tool has greatly affected how brands communicate with their customers. The company use social media such as Instagram and YouTube and also celebrity as a marketing tool. With that in mind, digital marketing is also rising. The psychological of persuasion studies the factors that influence people to purchase a product. So next one, we have a segment of the problem. The question of this paper is what is the effect of EWOM, internet word of mouth, on customers' purchase intention in beauty industry. The objective of this is to identify the influencers of social media on the decision-making process of consumers when it comes to purchasing cosmetic, and then find out the effectiveness of beauty influencers towards the brand, and then to know the effect of customers to be interested in the brand products. For the literature review, we have influencer marketing. Okay, so I'm going to explain a little bit about influencer marketing. An influencer marketing strategy is a method utilized by companies to identify and recruit individuals or a group of people who have influence over a certain target consumer segment. The goal of the strategy is to increase sales and build brand awareness. One of the most effective ways to reach out to potential customer is through influencer marketing, which involves leveraging the mass of social media followers to create a better brand image. The study can be done through the use of various influencer tools and technique. Influencer marketing is also beneficial for the brands as it allows them to build a deeper relationship with their potential customer. It allows them to expand their reach. The second one, I'm going to explain about beauty industry a little bit. Beauty is a word that is coveted by women. Everyone has their own definition of beauty. Beauty always been pursued by a woman and has become a psychological problem for many women who lack self-confidence. This happened because beauty cannot be separated from social constructions such as magazine, films, television, advertisement, and it often represent the beauty standard of the beauty standard. Woman with ideally constructed body shape, skin colors, uh, and so with that, the beauty industry has such its slimming and youthful also whitening care has grown into a $1 billion industry. With growing internet now, beauty standard has spread and not being boxed anymore, making it even more a market for beauty industry. So I'm going to explain about a little bit about electronic word of mouth. Uh, word of mouth marketing as a type of advertising that involves people giving their honest opinions about a brand or service. The concept of word of mouth marketing is the concept of marketing is driven by people who have successfully used a product or service. These individuals are known as influencer marketers. Word of mouth marketing refers to the type of communication that people can send to company or brand through the internet. So the second one is purchase intention. The purchase intention of customer is the decision that is made after analyzing various factors that influence a purchase, influenced by various factors such as external and internal factors. After analyzing various product, a customer's purchase intention is a decision that they will make based on the result of their analysis and their habits. They will then make their decision based on the product function and their behavior. The next one is I'm going to explain about the methodology. For the methodology, I'm using the target method, which is qualitative study is connected with the goal of describing the data in terms of words instead of statistic. The paper focuses on the data in its form of words. The secondary data sources is usually obtained for sources that are related to the subject. The type of data I'm using secondary data positive sampling. It focuses on a specific journal to provide with the necessary information, and then for the data analysis, I'm using previous paper or journal. So I'm referencing to journal related to beauty influencer impact on purchase intention, journal that discuss brand awareness, journal that discusses purchase intention, journal that discusses or related to beauty industry, influencer marketing, and other journal. I'm going to explain about the result. Okay, so I have the customer cognition of influencer. According to all the data and result that and finding, I can conclude that it's important for customer to know that when an influencer focuses on promoting a product instead of giving an honest review can lead to fraudulent reviews. Some people also believe that there is marketing in some of the video. They also ties that some of the products featured in the videos have been endorsed by the influencer. Second one is usually reverse influence on viewers' purchase behavior. Many of customers said that they purchase products that were recommended by beauty vloggers. They also said that they become more cautious about using products that were recommended by beauty vloggers due to the content of their video. People will also be more inclined to search for products information online due to influencer influence. Through social media platforms, people were able to learn about the latest trends in beauty products. They also believe that the content of beauty bloggers' videos influence their decision when it comes to purchasing beauty products. And then the last one is external factor for purchase decision. Most customers said that they rely on other people for advice and recommendation when it comes to choosing beauty product. This is because they often ask their friends and family for their opinion. Some of the factors the customer consider when choosing a beauty product include the quality of the product itself, its composition, and its values. The next one, I'm going to explain about the summary and conclusion of this paper. So the summary, the first one is customers still consider influencer opinions. According to the research I found, customers still consider the opinion of influencer before they purchase a product. They also believe that these individuals are reliable and trustworthy, which makes them products purchasing products even though they are not marketing or providing commercial content is because influencers are more likely to interact with their followers on Instagram. They are able to gather demographic and physiographic information about their audience. Being able to connect with their viewers is very important for content creators. This is because it allows them to gain their trust and increase recognition of their followers. And then the second one is influencer plays a part on customer purchasing decision. This is because customers believe that the opinions and behavior of the influencer are beneficial to their purchase decisions. The extent to which social media platforms influence a customer buying decision depends on the degree which they trust the content creators. So the last one is customer cannot completely trust influencer despite the popularity of influencer reviews. Many people still believe that they cannot completely trust them due to the way they present their opinions. This is because they know that some of the reviews are marketing strategy, they are not natural. Thank you for listening.